Beautiful day riding from Mount Pleasant to Sullivan's Island on the old school Bamb bike. Gonna fly the drone over there, try and ride and fly on the beach. So yeah. The walkways they have here at different stations are really incredible. I mean, look at this, just bringing you all the way out past the sand dunes and then opening up just to this huge beach. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, a little off-roading, one-handed, not recommended, but there you go. Look at that. Okay, so we're all set up here. We got the drone, Sullivan's Island Beach, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take off and get ready to fly out here. I'm gonna pack up right after, and then we'll get up and we'll see if I can have the active track going. So I was just getting ready here with the settings, making sure that the exposure and all of the camera settings were done properly before going out. Now I'm putting away the GoPro and the Lagu blanket, getting ready to fly the master shots, which is a pre-programmed set. You'll see it here. So as I got going, I was just playing around with the different settings, and I tried out the Active Track 4.0, and on this particular shot, it's done parallel. So I set the drone to the side of me and just started going, and it maintained this angle and more or less distance. The setting that I found to be the best in terms of output and getting cooler dynamic shots is this spotlight mode. And you basically highlight your subject, yourself in this case, and lock on, and then you can use the manual controls to put the distance back, bring it around to the side, orbit around you. But to get the really spinny kind of orbity shots like this, you can use point of interest, and that really just sets a path either clockwise or counterclockwise, and then you can control the distance and the height. As I was experimenting with the different techniques and biking around, I saw that these dogs really took interest to the drone, and they were following me for quite some distance. So here I had to fly the drone way out to sea to try and lose the dog so that it would go back to its owner. I wanted it to try and forget about the drone. Then of course there's the droney. This is an auto feature where you can just set the distance and then let it fly out and put together a clip like this for you. In these next shots, I was just putting the right control stick forward to try and get these epic straight shots here. I guess I was coming down to the sea a bit, and I was just soaking in the beauty of this place because you know, the beach here is amazing, so clean, so big, and so much fun to ride around on. I'd say mission accomplished. Biking here on the beach. This place is amazing.
Just gonna make my way back, find a spot to exit, and bike back to Mount Pleasant, and go review some of that drone footage after I get some lunch.
Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you liked this video, please do consider smashing that like button. If you hated it, double tap the like button. And consider subscribing if you want to see more content like this. I am Bryan, creating this for Bambike. You can find out more about Bambike at www.bambike.com. Thanks a lot. Take care.